Whapene o stofio vai aso te tasio a vanolo tu inatu I te mali I o alo foi mawhanau o Samoa whaalau lor te lo lanto pisinisi. O lo whapenau na ngāru lue ai ia wale si le fia lea. Tanu fia nei taimo le tai awha te mai. Ia le ono le tāru company le Matai Watches le Tuilagi Andrew Lui. Tala noa I tulanga o pisinisi foi. Ia wale whaafong mai le tanu nei tai awha Tuilagi. Whaaftaimo le taimo le nei tai awha malo si fo manu.
Ano lava soi fua tawai ia whaftai lava foi mo le nei av noa. Ia mo lava si I inga mal whaftai le tua. Ua aulia mai nei tai au. Ia te whatalo what foi le malu mal pa I Samoa. Thank you for tuning into our segment this morning.
Malo Tuilagi wa mai lau sunga le nei tai awha.
Ia le magui a whaftai tawai. Ia wa maka nga vela foi Australia. Ia le a kāre wha.
Yeah, good. Okay. O sini Australia le talalai Tuilagi.
Ia nga o Australia.
Okay. Le lei o le upu masani le tanu o le lei o na motu le pā o I loa. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Whamul mole, bo whena fi o anga Samoa. Whamul mole Tuilagi.
Yeah, so tawai just a little bit about myself. My name's Andrew Tuilagi. I was born in New Zealand in 93 before moving to Samoa in 2002 and then moving to Australia since then. So, we moved to Australia in 2002 after moving from New Zealand. My parents are from the villages of Whakausi and Whangapoa.
Okay.
And but business is always something that I've always loved and always been passionate about. And, it's, for me, it was funny that, the confidence to really take the leap and really, go for it. So, last year we launched Matai Watches. And God's been good. Doors been open for us. Our community is really coming together and really being proud of their brand.
Okay, Tuilagi, malo whaftai le whaso mo nei vanga mo lo sui fua Matai Watches. Tell us about the name. I mean, and whena whaso e wingaling o Matai Watches because o ki kilo lingo. What a nice mana ia le lingo. Whamul mone.
Whaftai lava. Ia, o lingo le Matai Watches. As you know, Matai Watches it's been in the works now for 4 years before we launched last year. And, it's for me, when I start a brand, I always have to, find a name that I can connect with, before I can launch a product. And, for me working as a security guard, I was always trying to narrow down, what would be a suitable name that can bind our Pacific together. It wasn't until about a year or two that, being in prayer and really speaking to God to give me a name, to hold our, our watches and that they can bind us as Pacific together. So the name Matai Watches, I feel like it's something that's, been given from God. He is the chief of all chiefs. So, that's why we put a cross in the middle as well. So that's how Matai was born.
All right. Okay, Tuilagi, so na launch la le Matai Watches, noa whelua, pere sa noa le tai au?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah. Okay, ole ale sila mamao pole lumana lau sila mole lumana o Matai Watches male tupu male ola business fa mon.
For us Tawai, something that me and my business partner we always talk about. We feel like there's a lot that we want to do with Matai Watches. Something that my business partner Nick Williams. We're always sitting down reflecting, and there's a lot to be done in our Pacific, and we don't want to be just a watch band. We want to be more than that because we believe that the opportunity that that God has blessed us with it comes with a big responsibility to serve our people and to serve our Pacific community. So for us as a business, we really want to preserve our culture. We want to honor our ancestors, their blood and their sweat and their tears, because we know that the pathways in which they have been on it wasn't easy.
Okay.
So we want to honor that.
Tuilagi, on the long-term plan, malau sila mole Matai in the next 5 years. Oferta mana o yo o yele tua le Matai watches let's see lima tau sango mana.
For us, we see us going into doors that we haven't been in before.
Yeah.
I think not just being the watch of the Pacific, but also to put it out there into the world, to the European market, to the American market, just so that we can build more awareness on our culture and what our people are capable of. So for us, the long-term vision would be eventually to look into those, scaling up.
Yeah. Okay, Tuilagi, and fine tati tilo, let's look at the product. Tanoa nga ile wati ile malama o lo tangata tele lo fa fong mana tano o the waki aso le limba ya telefoni isi toa nga wati. Tell us about the product famul molea. Tuilagi.
So the watches for us, we designed it in a way that we can showcase some of our Pacific patterns and the meaning behind it. So the way we've decided, if you see our packaging as well, it's designed in a way that when you open it up, the first thing you see, it's an artwork. And for us, that's important to design it like that, so our people can showcase their artwork, their stories.
Yeah.
So all in all, with these watches, from the detailing of the watches that tells the different stories through our patterns to the postcards, it's just to showcase our culture.
Okay, any chance someone my mom says to know is a sample of wati famul mole Tuilagi if possible on five be online.
Yeah, so all our watches are online.
Yeah.
We're currently sorry to buy.
Yeah, it's all right. So siala le tunu ilunga le website ale Matai watches mo o mai.
Matai watches. Matai watches.
Yeah. Okay, lele. Fa pe ola le tau fa be o mana o se ainga fia fa kau le wakile fa mako me alo fai o farsa po fe lava em fa na sa no tulang ile ese sengo tau loi fa mo.
O ka uma o wake a maka kule lusa lauli mas full.
Right.
Alu ai lunga le smell le korusa lauli mas full.
Okay. Fuat ke de waki
na.
Yeah. Okay. So mole at normal fa fonga mai mana mia on my mall tulang o tele o tuanga wanti o lo te pena ina le Matai watches te mo mala valunga le website Matai watches Tuilagi o sa le
Yeah.
Okay lele o ka foi la lam fa la o ka online
for okay online, and we have a few shops in New Zealand as well.
Right. O fe ka ko fa do no New Zealand fa mo le.
So we got Tassie markets at the moment, and we're currently looking to more as well. In New Zealand.
Okay, lele Tuilagi se se va ngat fi sa no fa malta proclama nei ta fa mo.
It's a vial o le mele wati au mafau le ile mele wati. I think about the meaning of our brand, and also watch. Watch is something that we use to track our process or our progress, and our success. And I feel like it's time. It's really time for our people. You look around us, you look at the sports, you look at the music industry, and there's a shift in the Pacific now. Our people are really really cultivating that God-given talent and ability, and so I believe that this is our time.
I saw. Wow. Lulai Tuilagi fa te tele mo le time nei tai au ese telefoni fa na vala ile tino pe sia se pe lunga le website ale Matai watches.
Lunga website fa bol mole.
Yeah. Okay, fa tai Tuilagi manu ia lava ia fa vala nei aso.
Yeah, bang we fa vai aso, bang we Tai lava tai.
Tailava ole owner ole businessi Matai Watches Tuilagi Andrew Lui male proclama nei foi tai phone Jojo mo radio Samoa Smalima Eva Tolu amo